Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare chicken do pyaza. This is a very popular North Indian style preparation. The highlight of this dish is that the onion is added in two stages. The onion that is added earlier is cooked well. The onion that is added at the end is only half cooked, giving the dish its characteristic sweet taste. Let us see how to prepare chicken do pyaza. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken. I have cleaned it well, washed it several times with salt. Then I have taken 2 onion, a 1.5-inch piece of ginger, 6 large cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies, 2 tomatoes, 1/4 of a capsicum and a few coriander leaves. Let us transfer the ginger, garlic, green chilli to a mixie jar. Let us add 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Let us add half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds powder. Let us grind it to a paste without adding water. To the chicken, let us add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt. Let us add the ground masala paste. Let us add 1 tablespoon oil. Let us mix it well. Let us cover and keep for half an hour. Half an hour is over. Let us cook the chicken now. I have chopped 1 onion into cubes. The other onion I have finely chopped. I have cut the capsicum into cubes. I have finely chopped the coriander leaves and the tomato. Then I have taken half cup curd. Let us heat a pressure cooker. Let us add 4 tablespoon oil. The oil is hot. Let us add the finely chopped onion. The onion is turning a light brown. Let us add the chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes are well fried now. It is leaving oil. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. The masala is well fried now. Let us add the chicken pieces. The chicken is a little fried now. It is beginning to leave oil. Let us add the curd. On a low flame, let us stir it continuously. The curry has come to a good boil. Let us add a little water into the mixie jar. Let us pour it here. Let us close the pressure cooker. After the first whistle, let us turn off the gas. The cooker has cooled. The chicken is well cooked now. Let us add the onion cubes and the capsicum cubes. Let us keep the cooker on the flame again. Let us bring the curry to a good boil. The curry is boiling now. Let us add the coriander leaves. Let us turn off the gas. Chicken Do Pyaza is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the chicken Do Pyaza preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.